Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. And in this video I'm going to show you guys how I did this really cute, simple and easy back to school hairstyle on my daughter. So let's get into the tutorial. So this is my daughter's hair. She is a 4C girl and she has some very... So in total I have 5 braids attached to that one ponytail. And I love this hairstyle already. My baby is smiling, which means that she approves. And I did put all the braids to one side just because I love a good side ponytail on my baby. But you can put the braids to whatever side you like or just have some hanging on both sides. The way that I attached the braids allows them to move in whatever direction you want them to go in. So now we are on the back of her hair, which is the thickest part, is the middle and the back. So I'm parting her hair with a wide tooth comb because I had to, make the part first and part through that thick hair before I try to part it with my rat tail comb. And I just applied my shining gem where I'm going to be parting, which makes the parting easier and makes the parts nice and clean and straight. So I'm parting that back section in half, pretty much going from ear to ear around the back of her head. So now that I got my sections sectioned off, I am applying some more shining gem. And I have to use a little bit more product. The thicker her hair is, the more product it requires. And all of that hair is going in one ponytail. So make sure you use a good amount of product if you're working with thick hair. And as you can see, I am using a scrunchie versus using the small black rubber bands because her hair is so thick in the middle. And I don't want the rubber band to pop, so I use like one of those elastic ponytail bands. So basically with this portion of her hair, I'm doing the same thing that I did in the front. We're going to apply multiple braids on this one ponytail. This is kind of my lazy way of doing ponytails because her hair is so thick. I would have to do so many ponytails if I did them individually. So I style her hair like this because it saves time, and instead of doing all individual ponytails, I can just put multiple braids on one ponytail. So if you have a little one that's pretty impatient when they're getting their hair done, kind of like my daughter, sometimes she's good, other times she's like, "Mom, are you done yet? Are we done yet?" I don't want to hear that the whole time that I'm doing her hair. So this is a really quick and simple hairstyle. It's really cute. And it definitely cuts down the time. This is like a 30-minute or less hairstyle. I'm a busy mom. I'm always on the go. My baby's busy. She's in activities and doing multiple things. So the quicker I can get her hair done and have it looking decent, the better. So I did the same thing that I did with that middle ponytail to the bottom ponytail. And look how cute it is already, and I haven't even put the barrettes or anything on yet, but look how cute that hairstyle is. So these are the barrettes that I'm going to be putting on, and the bollies I went with like silver, gold, and black and white and clear because those are kind of like neutral colors. She can wear those colors with multiple different outfits. I mean, gold and silver goes with anything, so does black, white, and clear. So even if she got a pink outfit on, the hairballs are gonna match. And she has so many different color bollies and barrettes. All I have to do is just change them out if she decides to put on an outfit and wants the barrettes and bollies to match the outfit perfectly. So it's an easy switch out, especially since I basically only did 3 ponytails and I just have multiple braids on each ponytail. So all I have to do is remove the barrettes from the ends of the braids and apply a different color. And look how cute the ponytails look with the barrettes on the ends. And I got those big ballies to put on the base of the ponytails. I could not wait until my baby's hair grew in because I just knew I was going to be doing her hair in so many different cute styles. My baby was a baldy for a long time. Her hair didn't really grow in enough for me to do like ponytails with barrettes and stuff until she was like 2. So I used to always say, when my baby hair grow in, honey, she gonna stay with some bomb ponytails and hairstyles. And when I found out I was having a little girl when I was pregnant, I was like, yes! The first thing that came to my mind was I cannot wait to do her hair. So now that my baby got a head full of hair, she rarely has a bad hair day. Okay, if she got a bad hair day, it's just because she came out of a hairstyle and going into another one. So basically the style is done. All the barrettes and ballies are applied, but I did decide to put 2 barrettes on the end of each braid just because I wanted the braids to hang and not be stiff since I'm not dipping it in hot water. My daughter gets really nervous with the hot water and dipping the braids, so anytime I put braids in her hair or do like a braided ponytail style, I never dip her braids. I just make sure I put enough like ballies and barrettes on the ends to weigh the ponytails down so that they swing naturally and they're not stiff. And look how natural the braids look. If I hadn't showed you guys what I did to her hair, you would never know that this was not her natural hair. So that's what we are going for. And the last thing we need to do is slay those edges. So I got my lock gel and I got my edge brush, and it also has a little comb on the end, and we just gonna swoop her little baby hairs up. So as I'm using the brush to swoop it up, I'm using my finger to smooth it down as well. And I'll link this gel in the description of this video. And we are done. Look how adorable she looks. And boom, y'all like that transition, huh? I had to switch the fit up. We were on our way out to dinner, so this was her dinner outfit of choice, and her outfit came with that little scrunchie to match, so I added it to the front of her ponytail. And her shirt has a gold heart on it, which matches her barrettes and ballies so perfectly. Yes, give it to him, baby. She be hitting them poses, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I loved doing it. As always, make sure you like, drop a comment, and if you are viewing this video and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You're gonna love it here, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.